The cookies are done. Let's let these puppies cool off now. Those look great, Lana. They turned out pretty good. But they still need some frosting. So it's a little runny. Who cares? There you go. This isn't right. Oh, man. Can you really kick lids off bottles? Wow. Could I do that? Only one way to find out. Let's do this. Yeah! Ow! What was that? Where'd this come from? You missed it! I did the cap kick challenge! Can I keep this? Let's warm it up first. That way we can poke a stick through it. Cut off the end and you've got a spout. And since I took the cap, I'll take the bottle too. Go ahead and fill it up with the frosting. Once it's full, screw the lid back on. Way to recycle, ladies. Now to see if it actually works. Yep, it squeezes out perfectly. No ugly globs here. They're almost too pretty to eat. Look at these cool designs! Hey, milk's in the fridge. But just because it's cold doesn't mean it hasn't spoiled. Ick! This is the worst taste ever! Was it that bad? Oh yeah, this stuff's gross. I'm gonna run to the store, okay? Alright, I'm back with the goods. And I checked all the expiration dates. That's what milk's supposed to taste like. Oh, mind leaving that out? If you don't want it to spoil, sprinkle in a bit of salt. Okay, quite a bit of salt. Well, that was the weirdest thing ever. You can thank me later, Vic. Okay, let's go. Yawn! Time for the most important meal of the day. Still good. Tastes fine to me. I owe Lana a big thank you for this trick.
Time for a much-needed lunch break. And today, we're having spicy noodles. Didn't anyone tell you slurping's rude? Let's see if Adam eats as loudly. Come to Papa. How does Kev use chopsticks like that? I could use them too, you know. Just watch me. We got this. I'm going in. Whoa, need some help there, Adam? Looks like you've never used these before. You're making such a mess, dude. Finally have a bite coming in. Yep, almost there. No! What a chump. Looks like he'll be eating with a fork forever. Way to be supportive, Kev. Wait a second. Give me that straw. Things are about to get way easier. Put both chopsticks into both ends of the straw. They should meet in the middle. With them still inserted, bend the straw in half. Perfect. Let's get to eating. With this extra tension, you can pick up food way more easily. Open wide. Success sure tastes good. Hey, that was my straw. We're on hour 2 of this battle royale. No time for snacks. Focus. Quick, don't let go of that controller. Is that my phone? Gotta hit pause. Sorry, bro. Hey, what's up? These had better be here when I get back. What do you think I am, an animal? Good. And now, I wait. I can have one marshmallow, right? Come on, have some self-control. Oh, those pink ones are so sweet. You won't notice if one's gone. But everyone knows you just can't eat one. Oh, what a slippery slope you're on, Kevin. They're gone. Oh no, I lost all control. Adam's gonna kill me. I know. I'll refill the bowl so he won't notice. Brilliant. But you've got to be kidding me. Well, I'm a dead man. Stupid marshmallowy goodness. Wait a second. I'll just stick it in the microwave. Why didn't I think of this before? Whoa! Look at the size of that thing. It's a marshmallow on steroids. Who could say no to a thing like this? Adam's gonna go nuts when he sees these. All right, the moment of truth has arrived. Here he comes. Act normal. Whoa! Did these grow while I was gone? They smell the same. And they taste the same too. Looks like you're off the hook, Kev. My hands are all greasy from these chips. I'd better go wash them. Wait! The table! I should have known that would happen. Now I gotta clean it up. Where do I begin? Time to get my hands dirty here. The cereal is everywhere. Watch out for those toys. In fact, maybe these can make the job easier. They do have wheels after all. Good thing I have this thing handy. Put some hot glue on the top of the toy car. Really get a good glob on there. Now stick it underneath the table leg. Do the same thing to the rest of the legs. Make sure to let them each dry in between. Last one. This looks pretty cool. And the table won't ever tip over again. Gotta love wheels, right? Now your movie nights on the couch aren't as messy. See? Nice and snug. Because no movie night should turn into cleaning night. Whoa, this Mary Poppins chick is awesome. You sure that's a good idea, Adam? Oh no! Look at this sticky mess. All I wanted to do was to read and relax. Oh. Hey! What's that duct tape doing there? I have an idea. For spill-free lounging, wrap the duct tape around the armrest and secure it around to itself. And now you have a makeshift cup holder, mug holder, or a noodle holder. Whatever you use it for, it makes for a spill-free lounging experience.